Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today was a blessing Friday, amazing volatility, especially at the New York session, and most of my traders banked amazing profit. Let me share with you how I analyze in real time and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, so we had this trade, beautiful long trade, as you can see here yesterday, and today we were expecting a pullback long at this level. As you can see here, price reverse, and then we have taken a short trade here, and then we keep taking a short trade, and another we're expecting a pullback at this level. But in intraday we haven't seen any pattern, and we just keep taking a short trade here as soon as the price hit this support level, and that's what I explained to my traders. It's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market. And if you look at the intraday, and if you look at this morning, as you can see, just before London open, we were expecting a long trade here and expecting a from this level. So we had this pullback here, so we were expecting a continuation. As you can see here, price nicely develop a pullback, and we're expecting another breakout. I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break, then we're gonna be keep taking a long trade here. And then I instantly update this analysis. I explained to my trader, looks like the price is developing it another symmetric triangle pattern, which I broadcasted instantly, as you can see here. And I said, look guys, let's see if the price gonna break. We're gonna have another scaling trade, and as you can see here, price came back. This trade came out at the break even, and we have this breakout. And I explained to my trader, look for the safest trade after this breakout. If the price is going to retest this level, then we're going to take a short trade here, and more likely if the price can break this level, and then we're going to be keep taking a pullback short trade here, and we'll see the price action at this level. We had a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback short trade here, and as you can see at the New York session, we were expecting here, and that's what I explained to my trader. We're going to look only if the price is going to develop a false breakout, and after the breakout price retest, then we're going to take a long trade here. Otherwise, if the price retest this level, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. As you can see here, price broken, and after the breakout price retest, and that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here until the price gonna hit this level. At this level, we see momentum was very strong bearish, and I said to my trader, I think we don't see any pattern, just keep taking a pullbacks. So we had another pullback at this level, and we have taken another short trade here as soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had amazing short trade here today on EURUSD bank, amazing profit. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. We had all three pairs, we had amazing trades. If you look at the 4-hour chart, and this was the beautiful trade, we had it bank long trade. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, watch. Then we had this breakout, and today we were expecting, after this impulsive trade, we were expecting and this pullback, and we did analysis, and afterward, once the price developed a bullish engulfing candle, as you can see, the body was strong, and I explained to my trader, I think the prices look like it's respecting it. So we had this short trade here, breakout, and explained to my trader, just keep taking a short trade, and we were watching if price action, if we see any price action here, probably we will have some pullback. But if we haven't seen any price action in intraday, we just keep taking a short trade here, and that's the target, which I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. This is the previous low. And let me share with you how I analyze in intraday. All right, so if you look at this morning, and we had this analysis I did, which is basically we continue this analysis I did last night in the Asian session. I explained to my trader, look for this, if the price gonna break this level or this level, then we're gonna be taking a short trade here, which is technically this is the level in 4-hour. As you can see here, price nicely respected. Price hasn't broken sideways market. Once the price hit this level, and we look at here, the price developed on bearish engulfing candle. We have explained to my trader, look for this breakout. We have nice beautiful breakout short trade hand bank, beautiful pips. After this breakout, banking some profit, I explained to my trader, look for another pullback, which I instantly did another analysis at the New York session. As you can see here, we have this breakout. After the breakout, I explained to my trader, look for another pullback. We have this pullback. We were expecting a long trade here. As explained to my trader, we're only going to take a long if the price is going to break this level, and after this breakout, a retest, give us the confirmation, then long. Otherwise, we're just going to keep enjoying short trade here because the momentum was bearish. So we have this breakout. As you can see, this wedge breakout. After that, explain to my trader, just keep taking all these pullbacks. So we had a beautiful short trade on pound dollar, bank amazing profit. And let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a beautiful trade. I was expecting a short trade here at this level, but we have counter long trade. As I said to you guys, we are intraday traders, so we have this breakout, and after this breakout, we just keep taking a pullback here, and target was this level, which is the weekly resistance level, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. And if you look at my intraday analysis, we had this at this level. Once the price developed sort of like this scenario, and intraday, you can see here the scenarios develop, and that's what I explained to my trader. These are the levels which price repeatedly respected here. So we're looking here this breakout. Every time when the price is going to break, there is opportunities. We have this breakout, and after this breakout, we have another price came back here and develop another pullback. Even after the pullback, we have a retest. That's what I explained to my trader. We have a confirmation, then probably more likely the price is going to up, and then as soon as the price hit to the previous level, and I said to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for another breakout of this one, which is I did analysis instantly. You can see here, there's the another analysis. I said to my trader, you can add another scaling trade on the winning. We have another beautiful, as you can see here, first target always be the fib channel, which is this level, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit, and we'll see if there's any intraday pattern is developed for short. Then probably going to be taking a counter short trade here. Am I going to be seeing short trade here? But as I said to my trader, we did this another intraday analysis. I explained to my trader this pattern was developed and the price broken and retest. Let's see if we see another retest at this level, then we're going to take a long trade here. Otherwise, if the price break and retest, then we can take a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely develop and create a double bottom here. And as soon as the price I explained to my trader, just keep taking a long trade here. At that time, I also, because one of the trader asked me, what do you think, shall I go short or long? And then I did instantly analysis. I explained in more detail. I said, look for this one, because that's what I explained. If the price can break this level or this level, that's the safest trade. We have wedge here, so let the market come out from this this phase, and then probably going to be taking a trade accordingly. So what happened here, price nicely, once the price develop a double bottom here, that's what I explained to my trader. Now it's double bottom, momentum is bullish. Even in 4 hour, you can see here the price came back here and hit this level. After this breakout, we have a pullback. That's a good sign. Price is above this level, and this is a high probability trade. Keep taking it. First target and the final target, price nicely hit this target, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. As you can see, guys, we analyze, look at the higher time frame, 4 hour, define the market sentiment and bias. We refine the entries and exit in our intraday system. That's we communicate every single day with my traders. Make sure we have a high probability trade and analyze it accordingly, and then bank beautiful pips. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. We had an amazing trade. All of these 3 pairs, we have all of them. You can see it's such a beautiful trade today. We had it and bank amazing profit. But as always mentioned, that you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. Or even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested, how I help my traders through live intraday analysis, how I train them, coach them, and how I help them to get funded. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. We're looking forward for holiday season. Thank you and have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.